Right, in question 3b, we're asked to find angle EFD in terms of x. Now, EFD is this angle here. EFD in terms of x. So that means our ultimate answer wants to read angle EFD equals and something with x on the right hand side. Okay? So that's the goal. There might be some numbers there, but they're not allowed to be any other letters. Right, so I'm going to start, we've got a tangent, so we've got some tangent rules. I see a radius from the centre. Be aware this is the centre here. All right, not that G. You've got to be a bit careful there. O is the centre. All right, centre O. So I certainly know that this angle here, which is angle CBE, would do okay. So angle CBE equals 90 degrees, and the reason for that, of course, is because of the radius is perpendicular to the tangent rule. Okay, so CBE is 90. Right, this angle here, I'm looking at a big triangle here. All right, so this is CEB, so angle CEB equals 180 degrees, take away 90, take away x. All right, and that can be rewritten because these are like terms here as 90 take away x. Now the reason for this is angles in triangle equal 180. That gives me that angle there. Now, this angle E points to that point and that point on the circle, and that point and that point. And so does this angle here. That points to D and B as well. So DFB, so angle DFB also equals 90 minus x, and that is because of angles on the same arc. Now, I know this total angle here is 90 because it passes through the centre of the circle, angles on the semicircle. So angle EFB, angle EFB equals 90 degrees, and that is because of angles on a semicircle. Now, during this process, I don't necessarily know my ultimate conclusion or where I'm going, but I'm writing down some rules to see if I can get something happening here. And what I've just noticed is, I know this total angle is 90. I calculated angle DFB here, so that angle is 90 take away of it. So the angle I'm looking for, which is angle EFD, is equal to 90 degrees from here, take away this angle here, which is 90 minus x. Now you've got to be pretty careful because there's multiple terms in that angle, 90 take away x. And that's just angles in the right angle, it's the leftover from this. Alright, so no, all of that's 90, that little bit there is 90 take away x, therefore that's 90 take away whatever that was. Now, if I look at this, that minus expands that bracket, so I end up with 90, take away 90 or negative 90, and then be careful, positive x. And that simplifies down to 0, so EFD equals 90 take away 90 is 0, and we're just left with the x. So in fact that there is the problem in terms of x.